What's it take to survive in this world? Answer that question. There you go. Water is one of the critical supplies that we've got to have to survive in this world.
You can go days without eating, but you can't go days without water. That doesn't work. Without the water, we never would have created the rich agricultural area that we have today, and certainly we wouldn't have the life that we do. Doug Picatti, I'm the president of Picatti Brothers.
I'm Mike Picatti. I am the vice president of the company.
I'm Joe Morford. I'm the well and pump director, I guess.
My name is Don Picatti. I am the eldest of the second generation of the three brothers that founded the company in 1926. Basically, the company got its founding because the founders insisted that all of us get not only a technical education, engineering degree, but a business education.
Doug is my brother, and Don is my father. Don is second generation, and Doug and I are third generation. And I went to engineering school at Washington State. I went to work at Boeing Aerospace, and that has served me well. And that's kind of what I do now, is I troubleshoot controls, and that's what I did at Boeing. We don't do anything on the space shuttle here, but other than that, it's similar.
Well, I'm just an old farm boy. I've been doing the wells and pumps for the last 25 years, 30 years. I've been watching the industry change. You can just see it change right in front of you.
We move water with more efficiency and more innovative ideas, and Doug can talk about that, right?
We're in the business of delivering water. I mean, really, at the end of the day, that's what we do. We do it for farmers, we do it for ranchers, we do it for residential customers, and we do it for municipalities. The vast majority of the people who call us don't want to talk to us. Something has gone wrong. People can contact us anytime, day or night, and we're available to help them. And we're very blessed that they trust us to call us.